In the world of precision manufacturing, surface texture plays a crucial role in product performance and aesthetics. Today, we take a closer look at 5-axis laser texturing on a spoon mold, a cutting-edge process that enhances both functionality and design. Traditional methods of texturing, like chemical etching, often lack precision and repeatability. But with 5-axis laser texturing, we achieve high-definition patterns with unmatched accuracy. This advanced laser system moves along 5 axes, X, Y, Z, and rotational movements, allowing it to texture complex 3D surfaces with micron-level precision. The laser beam modifies the mold surface, creating textures that improve grip, aesthetics, and even performance in production. Unlike conventional methods, laser texturing is eco-friendly, chemical-free, and highly repeatable, ensuring uniform patterns across multiple molds. The result? A finely textured mold that enhances the final spoon's appearance and functionality. Whether for anti-slip features, branding, or unique design effects, 5-axis laser texturing is revolutionizing the industry. Precision, efficiency, and innovation, 5-axis laser texturing is shaping the future of mold manufacturing, one pattern at a time.